Well, I need to spray around my grandkids' swing set, and I need to spray around my wood fence. So I went to Home Depot and I picked up one of these Scott's 2-gallon multi-use pump-up sprayers. At the time of this video, it was $17.97 plus tax. It's got a 5-year warranty, and it looks like it comes with a nozzle that's got 3 different settings. It looks like you can just leave that same nozzle on it, just twist it and get 3 different spray patterns. But we'll unbox it, then we'll put some weed killer in it, and we'll demonstrate it. So let's unbox it right quick. Well, there's what's in the box. Let's see what's here. There's the nozzle I was talking about. It's got 3 different spray patterns. It looks like it's also got just a regular nozzle, just a tip too. Like we got like a funnel, and I believe that's the nozzle. So let's put this together right quick. And that's pretty much all there is to putting it together. So let's put some weed killer in it and put some water in it, and I'll demonstrate it right quick. Alright, I've got my weed killer mixed up. It's enough for 1 gallon, so pour it in right quick. I'll get my water hose and we'll put some water in it. I don't know if you can see it, but right here on the side there's actually, tells you liters. There's a gallon, there's 1 gallon, gallon and a half, and 2 gallons. So actually went just a little bit over a gallon, so that's okay. All right, let me put the top back on it, screw her on, and let me pump it up. All right, let's go over to the fence, and I'm going to show you the 3 different spray patterns this has. All right, the first one is Stream, says it right here. So let's see what Stream looks like. Looks like just a little spray. Let's go to Cone. You can see that. And the last one is Fan. See that fan? All right, I think I'm gonna leave it on Fan, and let's go spray around the swing set and see what it looks like. All right, I've got it on Fan. Let's see what it does. Well, I won't bore you and make you watch me spray the whole yard, but I believe this is going to work real well. So if you're looking for an inexpensive pump-up sprayer just to spray around your house, I think probably this Scott's pump-up sprayer from Home Depot, or you probably get it at Walmart too, or wherever, for about 18 bucks. Probably do you a good job. Hope this helped you out. Hope it answered your questions. If you got any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'll try to answer them for you. Till next time, catch you later.